I have an army. We have a Hulk. I think the Beast is one. You're missing the point. There's no throne. There is no version of this where you come out on top.
Dear brother, becoming predictable. I trust you. You betray me round and round in circles we go. See, Loki, life is about growth. It's about change. But you seem to just want to stay the same. I guess what I'm trying to say is that you'll always be the God of Mischief. But you could be more.
I know what I want. I know what kind of God I need to be. For you. For all of us.
No!